Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh. So today we are going to learn about the Wi-Fi issue. If you are getting a issue in your Wi-Fi, so how can you troubleshoot that? Okay, so I'll tell you the basic troubleshootings. What needs to be done. Okay, first we'll check that icon. Right? Are you able to see that icon? Yeah, this icon it is showing right now because internet access is available, so it means I'm connected to any network, right? If any cross is there, it means no network is the system is not able to discover any network, or else any network is not available. If it is showing yellow mark, maybe the networks you are able to see but you're not able to connect, right? So right now it is showing I'm connected to this network, right? If you are having some issues, like if you are able to discover the network like this but not able to connect, having some issue, you can just do one thing. Just right click on this one. We'll get the options: open network sharing center or the troubleshoot problem. Just directly click on the troubleshoot problem. The system will start automatically detecting the problem. Now you'll see that it is showing like I'm trying to reach the specific website or a folder on a network. Okay, so it means right now the option will not come because my Wi-Fi is working fine. So we'll just leave that one, and we need to check our Wi-Fi card is detecting or not. That is the basic thing. Okay, so for that we need to go in device manager, right? So we'll just directly search from here the device manager. Now we are in the device manager. If we'll check some, here will come, yeah, the network adapter, right? So how can we check? Like here you're able to see the Intel dual wireless band wireless. Okay, it means I'm using a dual bandwidth wireless card right now. So you can update the software from here, you can disable it from here, uninstall from here, scan for the hardware changes. We, if you want to check, we'll just go for the properties options. Okay, now this block will come in front of you. In the advanced option you will see that it's a value. Now we'll check that you see the bandwidth, right? Two bandwidth are there, 2.4 gigahertz and 5.2 gigahertz. When I'm using uh, two bandwidths, two frequency of bandwidth, right? So we'll see for this one. Okay, ad hoc channel 80 point is the value should be 1 or maybe around 11 or maybe 6. That is the proper channel value. So if you'll put the 1, you'll get the proper internet access from there. Now we'll check the mode. It's a WMM is disabled, leave that one, not required. Bluetooth, if you want, because Bluetooth option is there because I have the combo wireless card. It means the Bluetooth and the wireless card both is inbuilt in a system in this card. So it's a combo card, you can say. Okay, now just leave. We'll see wireless mode. It should be at the last one because this one is earlier one. A, it is for the military. Second one, B, is not much, but highest speed we having 802.11 A slash B plus slash G. Okay, so that one should be there. And transmit power, okay, we'll see highest. It should be highest to get the better performance. Here the rest of the thing will be fine. Yeah, if you want to check the driver's version, you can check from over there that I'm using this driver version. You can directly update the driver from here. You can check, and the power management. Yeah, you can nowadays we are using the laptops. It should use conserve the less energy, right? So you can use this options also. So here, and as I'm using a ThinkPad laptop, actually it's a IBM ThinkPad, or I can say it's a Lenovo ThinkPad now. So I would like to tell you that if you are using a ThinkPad, then you should check in the BIOS mode that it is enabled or not. So that's it for the day. Thank you, have a nice day.